Who is the first and last Indian Governor General of India? Right answer, Sri Rajagopalachari. Next question. Who is the first Lok Sabha Speaker? Right answer, G.B. Mavlankar. Next question. Who designed Indian national flag? Right answer, Pinkali Vinaika. Next question. Who appoints the governor of states in India? Right answer, the president. Next question. How many schedules are contained in the Constitution of India? Right answer, 12. Next question. Who appoints the Chief Justice and judges of the Supreme Court of India? Right answer, the President. Next question. Article 368 of the Indian Constitution deals with. Right answer, amending procedure. Next question. Which types of emergency has not been declared so far in India? Right answer, financial emergency. Next question. In which year was the first amendment to the Constitution held? Right answer, 1951. Next question. Which Amendment Act is related to Goods and Service Tax? Right answer, 101. Next question. Which constitutional amendment will lower the voting age from 21 to 18 years? Right answer, 61. Next question. Which bill cannot originate in Rajya Sabha? Right answer, Money Bill. Next question. The first Indian actress to be nominated to the Rajya Sabha was. Right answer, Nargis Dutt. Next question. Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly of India? Right answer, Dr. B.N. Rao. Next question. The Parliament and the Constitution are the instrument of. Right answer, legal advice. Legal justice, sorry. Right answer, legal justice. Next question. The term of Finance Commission is. Right answer, 5 years. Which country has an unwritten constitution? Right answer, UK. Next question. The national emblem of India is taken from. Right answer, lion capital of Ashoka at Srinagar. Next question. Which did Indian government adopt the national emblem of India? Right answer, 26 Jan 1950. Next question. Number of spokes in Indian national flag? Right answer, 24. What is the ratio of length and width of Indian national flag? Right answer, 3:2. Next question. When was the Indian national flag adopted? Right answer, 22 July 1947. Next question. What is the time limit of Indian national anthem? Right answer, 52 seconds. Next question. Who wrote the national anthem? Right answer, Rabindranath Tagore. Next question. Who wrote the national song of India? Right answer, option B, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Next question. Who estimated the national income of India for the first time? Right answer, Dadabhai Naoroji. Next question. Who is the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India? Right answer, Hiralal J. Khanna. Next question. Who is the first Indian woman President of Indian National Congress? Right answer, Sarojini Naidu. Next question. Who is the first woman president of Indian National Congress? Right answer, Annie Besant. Next question. Which is the first state in India formed on the basis of language? Right answer, Andhra Pradesh. थैंक यू गाइज। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इसको लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। थैंक यू गाइज।